1:30 a.m. Thursday morning. I'm so tired. Heading to Raleigh Airport, 2 hours away. Flight's at 5:30. Yeah. What? 5:30 a.m.
A little stressed.
How many delays have we had today?
4? I don't know. 5? Look at those new boots.
Fresh boots to get destroyed. Well, behind the scenes, tech tip. You can't get this anywhere else except Chase Marquez vlogs. So this shock thing keeps destroying my boots, but we got Cole here.
Quick test. It's not gonna work super well, but we'll figure it out. I'm gonna zip tie it to the shock body.
Okay.
So then it'll be. Put a graphics kit over it so then it doesn't look too bad. Make it happen.
That's pretty solid. Made it to the gum wall. Look at this.
We don't even have any gum to stick on it either.
Well, like it?
Alright, get it on video. No.
So called 90, 90, 90, 90, 90, 90.
See, this is where it needs to pop, and it just won't.
Yeah, so come with both your hands on the floor in front of you now. And then try and keep this knee down, but lift this ankle. And then back down. That's not bad. That's much better.
Crazy how much tension looked pretty good. On that.
So now flip over and do it on the other side and see what this one does. So both hands forward.
That's pretty easy.
It's not bad. Now, rather with this one then, so your internal rotation is awesome. Keep the ankle down and then try and lift that knee up. And like clamshell. It was pretty good.
Not bad.
So tomorrow,
Seattle Soupy. Airbnb on the water. Thanks to Evan, found a gem of a spot. Look at this. Just walk out of the Airbnb to that.
Look how pretty it is. Like that way.
Seattle's over there.
It's cold.
What do you think?
I think it's sick.
Pits are a little different here. It's pretty sick. They're inside. Semis get to come inside. Thank God, it's cold as balls today.
I'm gonna try to find someone out there with a license with me.
Keep signing away. And Chase, then we'll just grab you over here for a minute. It's always great to catch up with a privateer. 219 Chase Marquis, partnership on the back, and man, the season has been good.
Yeah, it's been awesome. I took kind of 2 years off of Supercross, so to come back in the 450 class, I'm stoked. My goal was to come in, make some names this year, get through the whole season, do all 17 rounds, it'll get better and better every weekend, and try and make some main events. So I was able to do it at Daytona. Pretty stoked about that, but it's not typical Supercross, so I was like, man, I got to back it up again. So luckily last week in Detroit, did it again, and had a technical for LCQ, and yeah, just had fun. Just gonna try and keep putting in main events and building and building.
Let's talk about today. Overall,
yeah, it's not bad. Kind of playing some new stuff on the bike this week. We did an engine swap last night, actually. So all new engine for me today. We launched 450. I've been trying to ride this on 450 all season, so it's a little different. It takes getting used to. I was actually kind of surprised I was 20th out of the A group. But I have a lot more to get. I think after this next one, I have a little bit more comfort and we get a little bit lower on that list.
Obviously chemistry is very important. Great chemistry.
Oh yeah, it's awesome. Julian, he's whole PR Max plus the team. They're there to help us out step away and just kind of get us through it all and yeah, keep building the team.
When you look at privateers, their main goal is to make those main events, and boy, he's done it twice this year. Look for more great things from Chase Marquis.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah.
his head was just not there. I think I was 27th out of practice, or heat 2. Hopefully we can go get it out of this heat and have a good night.
Yeah. And they come in like they're coming to Harvard, and they're like going like this.
Lucky for us, we tend to see the same gray whales visiting us year after year. We call them sounders. To be considered a sounder, a gray whale has to have visited us here at least 2 years. And gray whale number 22, who we just saw the flips of, she has been coming back here ever since.
Same time. Chase.
Going home.
Goodbye, Seattle.